Hey dear users. Welcome to the multi-stores add-ons for WooCommerce. In this tutorial, we'll see how to use the local pickup shipping method and store distance together in multi-store add-ons for WooCommerce plugin. Also, we'll see how to calculate the store distance rate through the shipping address. To use a local pickup and store distance rate method for a particular store, we need to add both shipping methods to the shipping zone and stores. For this particular video, let's add the store distance rate method from the WooCommerce shipping settings. Go to the WooCommerce shipping setting. Edit the US zone and add the store distance rate method to it. Now, we've two shipping methods, namely local pickup and store distance rate. Next, we'll edit the store distance method to add the shipping address from which we deliver the goods to our customers. Finally, we've added the shipping address. Now store distance shipping method calculates the distance rate based on our shipping address and customer location. Let's go to the page and see the store distance rate in action. Here you can clearly see both local pickup and store distance rate appearing. Let's try each of them. Congratulations, you've tested both the store distance rate and local pickup method successfully. We'll add more educational tutorials in future. Until then, goodbye.